I swear to God, if someone makes one invisible joke in this video...
You're disrespecting a future U.S. Army soldier.
Hey guys, today you're going to learn how to properly style military streetwear. Military streetwear is super popular and it's definitely stood the test of time, unlike its cousin, military marriage. Some popular examples being like the combat boot, the cargo pants, the military jacket. Soldiers wore this one to combat, hence the name combat boot. These ones held extra ammo with their extra pockets, more cargo. And that one's self-explanatory. It's right in the name, military jacket. When you're in the military, you get you get flown out. And when you fly on the plane, it's cold on the plane because the AC is always on. And then when it's cold, what do? You need a what? A jacket. Military jacket. It's in the name. Also, another big announcement coming at the end of this video, so you're going to want to stay tuned for that. It's going to be great. So I'm going to break the video down into 3 things, and they're going to be tops, bottoms, and shoes. Starting off, we got tops, and the most popular ones here are the bomber jacket and the coat, but everybody knows about the bomber jacket. It's old news. Get it out of here. I don't want to talk to you anymore. I want a divorce. But one that gets overlooked, but I say is just as stylish at this point, is the basic work shirt or coat we got over here. This one goes well with a nice pair of trousers or jeans to complement the material. I think these are dope, regularly fitted and oversized, so you get double bang for your buck. And people think you gotta go out and pay a lot of money for these, but really no. Just go to any military surplus store or even a Goodwill, and you will find these babies for cheaper than a McChicken on a military discount. It's good for layering light and heavy. All you gotta do is go up a size or 2, and then you either got it oversized with a t-shirt under or layered with a hoodie under it. Also, bonus one, not really military, but it kinda is. The camo tees are dope as well. Really big and oversized with those guys, and you're good. You thought girls thought you were invisible before? Look at you now, buddy. Now no one's paying attention to you. I'm just joking, I really like this. Next up, we got pants. People think that a pattern like camo would be too jarring for a pair of pants, but really it doesn't have to be. Like, obviously, if you look like you got a couple of Four Locos for legs, people might turn their heads because, like, you know how many people have bad memories with Four Locos? That is just PTSD right there, sir. But if you keep it more low-key or toned down, the camo definitely does a lot to add some flavor to your town, but still works well with a lot of pieces. Like a pair of darker camo pants or cargos will switch it up for anybody. These look good with more of a rugged fit and a bit more oversized. They also look good with bigger shoes like the Jordan 1 or the Air Force 1, so that the silhouette of your outfit is nice and satisfying. I'm personally getting into these too, but I think that everyone should give them a try before calling it off. You never know what you might like before you try it. Damn, I sound like a recruiter right now. Military influencers be like, hey bro, do you want to get more engagement in life? Join the military now and you'll get that engagement, all right? Engagement with enemy hostiles. You want some followers? You'll get some followers once you're squad leader. Lastly, we got shoes, and a big one is obviously combat boots. I talked about this earlier. These are everywhere and these are really easy to style, but let's be real. Not a lot of people like wearing boots anymore. I'm not about to look like I got class at 10 and the landing at Normandy at 3. So a good modern alternative is something casual yet tactical, like the Air Force 1. Different variations to choose from, but even the classic will work here. And if you're still rocking with the boots though, these would look perfect with a wider pair of trousers, or even just roll with the Shia LaBeouf look. He was in Transformers and he dated Megan Fox for a bit. So I don't see the problem here. He's definitely an icon. And guess what Shia drives? What's that, huh? What's that? A what? A what? A Camaro. Shia LaBeouf is the ultimate military inspiration. Alright guys, so here's the big news. It's true. I'm getting engaged. Yes. It's not a real military video without an engagement. I'm just kidding, I'm not getting engaged. See, that was fast. That lasted just as long as a real military engagement. Really, I have something coming. It's basically the same thing as an engagement, and it's a podcast. Yes, I'm very aware of the fact that everyone and their mom has a podcast, but trust me, this is gonna be different. It's called, wait for it, The Christian Podcast. Yeah, you heard it right, baby. On YouTube, I basically just talk about fashion all the time. But this is a chance for me to talk about a bunch of all the stupid stuff that's going on, and there's a lot of it. There's a lot. Like, did you hear about the time I got arrested? No? Because there's no fashion tutorial for that. But really, it's going to be on this up-and-coming streaming service called Brew. I can't really reveal too much yet, but the first episode's going to be coming in about 2 weeks, so get ready for that. It's going to be hilarious. The Christian Podcast, lots of fun. Put your prayer hands in the chat, guys. Thanks for watching the video, guys, and leave a like if you own a Camaro. Follow me on Instagram at ChristianVY and tweet at me at ChristianVYYT. Join the Respect Women email club before I close it, and spam the comment with today's topic, Shia LaBeouf. Just spam the comments with that. Just spam Shia LaBeouf in the comments.